We should have waited for that to close. You know what I mean?
As for everything else, AMD bouncing actually fairly nicely, kind of off this 219 previous day lows. Nice kind of push towards the upside. Apple rejection after previous day highs. Google staying heavy underneath 314. Yeah, really not too much that happened today besides Tesla, which was a solid kind of pushback towards the upside above that 5-minute range high.
I'm in.
Order rejected.
Oh, fuck.
Order rejected. Order filled.
My stop is right there.
Now we can just be on the 5-minute if you'd like. Kind of, you can see SPY. So we're gonna have to get above really the 685-ish QQQ, kind of just sitting around this 5-minute range. A little bit of an upward wick on the last candle. 5 minutes gonna have to close back above, and then Tesla really you just like to see kind of maintain this down close candle here on the 5-minute.
It hit you again?
Yeah, nothing really too much to talk about here now. I only have 10% of my position left, so if you guys do have any questions,
Damn.
I'll just answer some. As we're waiting now with the SPY and Qs, I don't expect too much else to
How much did
happen
you
the rest of
do?
the day. We do have FOMC tomorrow, so that is something to keep in mind.
You lost 190 bucks? It's some bullshit.
So yeah, you can see a little bit of rejection here on the SPY Qs. Now trying to get back underneath this 623. As for worked out, is just of that 442. I'm going to hold the position. If we break underneath it, I'm going to cut it. So this is my exact level. Same level as before, 442.27. How can I trade the market opens? 10 minutes late, which strategy will suit access to trade futures? If I'm 10 minutes, how can I trade here? Market opens 10 minutes late. I'm not sure what you mean by the market opens 10 minutes late. What level did you take Tesla off the first? Was it the 5-minute range? It was the first pullback. So in this case, Tesla had a little bit
Damn,
of
I'm just
relative
as
strength.
nervous. You
So
see me?
it could have came back to that
You
5-minute
see
range
mine?
high,
That's
but
a
ultimately
nerve.
it came back for that first
3,000?
pullback, which is the 9
Risking
EMA. So it's your
1,500?
first pullback. Tesla is really the only ticker that will usually look for that first pullback because it's a momentum ticker. So majority of the other tickers will usually end up waiting for that 5-minute range high or that retest. But Tesla's the one ticker where it usually likes to have momentum. So sometimes it pulls back to that retest, sometimes it doesn't. And that's in this case, we mentioned we're either looking for that 5-minute range high or that first pullback, which is usually down in towards that 9 EMA. Yeah, it's just it's the personality of the ticker. So if you ever watch Tesla and how it runs, it will actually majority of times respect this 9 EMA, especially if it has momentum. So you can see, right,
How
kind of
much is
rides this
this right
9
here?
EMA. Once it breaks out, holds it, and you can actually see where it
A
starts slowing
thousand?
down now is once it broke back underneath this 9 EMA. So Tesla's the one, usually the best is when you have multiple confluences, but whenever you have a strong breakout, Tesla, you can always keep an eye on that first pullback to get bought up for continuation higher. So now for the spine cues, yeah, really not too much to talk about. You can see cues kind of right back underneath. So if we reject, we're just going to come right back towards the downside. Similar thing here with SPY. If we reject for longs, we'd personally like to see it back above your 623 5-minute candle close and SPY above here. And then for
Come
Tesla,
on, give me
we
that
really just
hammer.
want to see a hold of this
Give me
5-minute
that
down close
fucking hammer
candle.
candle. Huh?
When you say scaling, it
I
means
know.
increased liquidity.
Some
Scaling means
bullshit.
selling. So you're scaling your position. So whenever you're in a trade and you scale your position, that means you're taking some off or taking some off on your position at
Oh
key
my
levels.
god. This one might.
So technically it would be like scaling out, but you also have
Oh
scaling
my
in,
god,
which would
no.
be the opposite. How does Apple look? Yeah, Apple kind of nice rejection off your previous day highs. Overall market, I'd say fairly neutral. SPY a little bit more bullish than the QQQ. But for Apple, you should see your previous day. It's just back inside of its previous day's range, so
Yeah, this
not
is
too
why,
much to talk about. And also just filled its gap that we had. So already hit one of your main objectives. If you didn't take profits already on Apple, you should already taken some off at this previous day close, which is your 277.
You see my profit just moving on the top?
Would you take the same trade if this setup showed on Apple or Nvidia? Means the price didn't come back to that first candle rule. Not on Apple. Apple's not a momentum ticker.
Put yours
Nvidia,
right here. You
if
see
right
this
now
one?
currently we're kind of inside of this range, so I'd be more cautious on Nvidia. But for Apple, for sure, I'd
Down
be
here.
very hesitant on taking any sort
No,
of
right here.
momentum
This one.
kind of setup
On the
above your
bottom of
previous
this
day
red
highs
candle.
or below your previous day lows, just because Apple, normally speaking,
Huh?
doesn't it's a 5-minute setup or it takes
That's
longer to set up.
$450?
Whereas Nvidia and Tesla
Yeah, you
usually
go for
likes
2 to 1.
it
That's
has a
the
lot more
risk.
momentum and it can be on the 1-minute time
That's
frame.
how you. Because if you lost and you say you lost the other ones, but you won this one, you just
Today, do you
won 2
weigh
times. So you won
previous
back
day
the one you
highs more
lost.
than pre-market highs? Previous day highs is very far away, so you don't have to worry about that. Right, previous day highs all the way back up and towards your 625, so that's very far away. The key level that we have today is just your Friday's lows, which kind of coincides with their pre-market highs here as well. You can see a little bit of rejection here on SPY, Qs, similar thing, kind of this Thursday's highs of last week. And the SPY was the main one, and then the QQQ, the key level is your previous day lows here. And you can see kind of defended coming to market open.
It's like defending that well. Hmm? No, I'm in 3 minutes.
How you scaled your remainder cons? There's a different ways. Someone said hit sell. That's funny. For your remaining trailers, there's a few different ways you can maintain it. Number one, the bar by bar
What, if you
method,
put it where I'm at?
which in this case also kind of coincides with this 90 MA. Once it breaks underneath, you can
600,
cut
then
your
you could go
position
for
candle
12.
close. Also, right, kind of up into this 10 o'clock here as well. So that's the number one. Another scenario is just maintaining market structure. So
You telling me
442,
what?
it's another way to do it. Depends on how much you have
Are
left
you
and
in
how
a
much room you want to
combine?
give it. But you can sell here,
Oh, shit.
right? Trailing stop, or you can sell based off of market structure, which is going to be your 442, or if it hits
Damn,
your
this
profit
ain't
targets,
good.
then you can just take profit. So there's a few different ways you can have a trailing stop in,
You got
or you
you?
have like a take profit set. Now, right, QQQ key level is just going to be at 423. You can see a little bit of rejection here. SPY kind of flipping now as well, so a little bit more neutral. Tesla's still holding up somewhat, so that's a good sign. You can see kind of these lower wicks being put in on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see if this 5-minute candle can close and push back up in towards high day.
Oh, it's just whipped all those motherfuckers out. Down.
Be like three cons, barely printed profit, only made 120 USD for how much risk there was. Yeah, it depends on how much you scaled off. Majority of the trades lately have been, if you take majority off at high day, then of course the risk to reward is going to be a little bit smaller just because that's kind of the overall market conditions that we're in. But that's why, at least right now, currently, we're just looking for high day potential continuation if we get it, just because of the market conditions that we're in. Right? We understand there's FOMC, there could be continuation, there could be not. A lot of our trades have been hitting, right, kind of TP1, TP2s, and then reversing back down. So that's just normal. Specifically, as you can see, just look at the SPY and Qs, right? You got to take what you can get. If you're trading the SPY and Qs, really there's actually not much here. We're just kind of ranging, right? Very tight range. SPY end up having this nice push high. Really, the rest of the market did absolutely nothing today, right? Besides maybe Tesla's like the only clear one. EMB kind of just had this bounce out of nowhere off your previous day lows, but almost every other ticker you can see didn't really do too much in the markets. The only thing that we have that was moving is Tesla, and you can see kind of this nice push above your 5 minute range high. Market orders, yes, that's correct. We use market orders. I personally use market orders. How do you typically calculate TP1, TP2? I thought you shot for 2 hour in your trades. It's not a fixed, remember, we always talk about it's not a fixed risk to reward when you're trading options. If you take majority of your position off at high day, right, it might only be like a 1-to-1 or maybe a little bit less. But let's say you hold trailers and you have a crazy move later, right? Your 10%. What's crazy about options is your 10% trailer can technically make more than 90% of your original position that you took off, and that's just the power of options because you do have and not technically like it's not fixed, it's exponential, or I wouldn't say exponential, it's just not fixed. So if you have a crazy move, then
Just
that's going
some
to make up for
bullshit.
your risk to reward, especially if you have continuation. How are
You
you able
what?
to tell if Tesla's going to have continuation after that 948?
Just get out.
948.
Are you break even?
How are you able to
Oh.
tell if Tesla's going to have continuation after that 948 around 443? Are you talking about this candle right here? It's because it just held market structure. This right here, as long as we maintain market structure, we're going to continue higher. So we broke above 5 day, and now we're holding this retest level. We can expect it to head higher.
What?
Yeah, but you can see overall market kind of slowing down here now. So for Tesla, the rest of the names, Qs, you can see this upper kind of wick here on the 5 minute time frame. Really not too much to talk about. As for Tesla, if it comes back down, I'd like to see it now just maintain higher lows. So I don't really want to see it come down towards your 442. That's where my stop is. I'd personally just like to see these higher lows be built and potentially continue higher based off the 5 minute time frame.
Fuck, that's a 3 minute candle too.
Do you think market conditions will favor scalping after January 1st? It just has to do with volatility. Scalping is good when we have volatility. If there's no volatility, then it's going to be a lot slower of a move. And then you can just base that off on the VIX. I talk about this almost every day now. If the VIX is above 20, those are good kind of day trading intraday conditions. If it's below 20, then we got to be a little bit more cautious. So when the VIX is above 20,
Fuck.
that's going to be our key indicator for
What? How much did I
right more
lose right
moves in the
here? A
markets and
thousand?
more momentum.
900.
So that could happen, right? If we have a big news drop in the markets, that could happen when we have a big drop in the markets, right? There's plenty of different factors that could come into play on why the VIX is going to spike. But right, if the VIX doesn't spike, then we're just going to be a little bit more cautious. What does that mean? Right, it just means if the VIX is under 20, that usually means we're closer to all-time highs. That means like swings will do better, long-term investments will do better
How
because there's
much do
less
I get right
uncertainty in the
here?
markets. When there's more uncertainty, that means there's just going to be more opportunity. So
Are you
day
gonna
trades
try
are
to
good,
just
but
get out?
swings take a hit and long terms take a hit as well. Thanks so much value. I've only been here for 2 days. Glad you find that, Bradley. What candle did you enter in on? I entered in on the 9 4. It was basically the 941, 942. I think it was the 942 candle. My
Yeah.
average was high, basically around 695 ish, or right around 7, just underneath 7. So the contracts only moved about a dollar ish, $1.50 ish a con, which is you have to take what you can get in this market. We're not right.
Huh?
You have nice continuation today, which is awesome.
You just got
As I
out?
mentioned, the volatility is going to pick up after tomorrow, which is going to be after FOMC. So 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is going to be key.
I know. I'm gonna see what happens. I mean, looks like it still wants to climb, but
What do you think about Google in December? Yeah, Google's already at all-time highs. This one, it's just also AI. They're all AI themes, right? NVIDIA, AMD, Google. So the more information we get on it, the better. But it's most
fuck.
likely
Now it looks
gonna
like it wants
have
to
a little
come
bit of a
down.
pullback or consolidation, just because currently they're kind of inversely correlated. Google, when Google moves higher, Nvidia's been moving lower, and then similar thesis. Nvidia moves down, right? Nvidia moves up. Google usually drops just a bit. Be careful trading on last week of the year. This 10 contracts remain at 10% represent 10% position size. At least for Tony. Oh, you're talking about Tony. His contract size is a lot larger, but usually yeah, he has 10 contracts left, so it's probably around 10%. How would you trade two cons with scaling? Two cons with scaling, one off at high day, and then the next one off on this next push. So let's say you buy two here, one off, and then probably one off here.
Fuck. Come on. That's some bull. Oh, look, mine is on. See, like it wants to come up. That's what I'm thinking.
I think I got in too high.
I might just leave it. I'm gonna just let it run now. That was.
Yeah, I moved mine back up. I mean, if it gets bad enough, I'll just close it myself.
I'm going for the 2 to 1 right here. To the. Why you saying, oh, because it looks like it's coming down?
Yeah. I want a good, clean sweep up,
Yeah. If I could get 2K. Hmm?
That'd be crazy.
Well, I'm up 300.
Hey, I'm up $30. Let's go.
Are you gonna take it?
No.
I'm up. How much do I get here? 1,000. Hey Siri, what's 1080 times 2?
Like 2160.
60? Alright. I gotta get the exact 21. 60. Oh shit. Fuck, I should've just got out. I was up 340. Would that tap you out?
No. It keeps like, it keeps edging my stop loss, man. I should have just broke you.
This is crazy.
I think this is gonna be my last trade.
For today?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be my last trade too. It's 8:30. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Are you out?
No, it keeps going up and down. Up and
Fuck
down.
yeah, I'm up for 400. Please go higher. Go. Huh? I'm trying to get paid today. 2 grand would be nice, huh? On a fund it? I'm a.
Yeah, there we go. Keep it going, keep it going.
There we go. Didn't I tell you we gotta just be patient?
Yeah.
There we go, bro. Let that go up.
Dude, if it comes down again.
Oh my god. I'm up 800.
800?
Yeah, look.
I'm up 300.
How many contracts are you in?
Just one.
Oh, I'm in 20 minis.
20?
Yeah.
Good grief. Cut this out.
Oh my god. Fuck. I should have just took that 800. What did that go up to? 950. Fuck. Oh, it's probably just tapping people out. Oh. It's crazy. This is crazy.
Well, that's a retest on the zone, though, so hopefully it goes back up. Come on.
Bro, we've been in the street for.
You what?
Been in the street since when?
I don't know. It feels like forever. Since like, I think it was 9:17. Almost.
We've been in the trade since 917?
Yeah, 16 minutes.
How you know?
Because I know where I did what candle I entered on. So at the time that candle was gone. It's just gonna be one of those steady climbs over the course of the day.
This is so wild. I might have to step away and get in a shower real quick, nigga.
Yeah.
Just let it play out without looking at it.
Yeah.
Fuck, he's coming back down.
Yeah.
The thing is, though, if you could see.
We're trending up.
Yeah, because it's trend. But it has to, like, get over here. It's kind of like a backwards.
I don't know.
Well, if you think about it, all of this right here would be that.
I'm just gonna ask for a cool 400. That's all.
You're gonna just take 400?
Yeah. I don't know if it'll go much higher. It I'm down like 347, so 400 wouldn't be too bad. Or maybe 500.
Honestly, I'll just let it run. Look at it. If I was you, I mean, you never know.
Maybe 1,000 would be nice too. I just don't know, man. How long do you think this trend can keep going up?
Well, it's above the EMA and the VWAP. That's why.
So it has to go up?
Yeah, in the video, they have a video of these two indicators, and he
Yeah.
said these. If you're a beginner, use these and don't take trades under. If it's under it, don't take a buy, and if it's on top, don't take a short. You see it? This line right here is under, or these are under. So these are all shorts. But you see right here it changes. So it's kind of like it's right there just chilling on it.
Yeah.
But I don't know. This is sketchy. I mean, you could get out if you want.
We'll see what it does. On the bright side now, at least it doesn't look like it's wanting to go under the zone, you know? It broke over it, now it won't go under it.
Yeah, hopefully we get some help from an institution or someone.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Someone needs to fucking put some money in the market. Help us out.
Pretty upset.
What happened? You took it?
No. Marco was sending a message out.
What was I say? This nigga took that profit.
It hit like 150 or shit.
Huh?
It hit 150 or shit, like it.
Nah, it's still going up.
Oh, you're on the 3 minute, huh?
Yeah, it's better to watch in a higher time frame. Bro, we have to make a new high. For it to continue, we have to break above that new high, that high. You see that high right there? We have to break above it for it to just continue up.
Yeah.
I'm not even at my screen, to be honest. I'm doing my laundry now.
It's
Huh? It's what?
It's up.
What do you mean it's up?
I'm up like 300.
Damn, it went above, but it didn't break.
No. No, I don't think it ever went above it either.
No, I did. The wick. You see, the wick is lined up.
My wick ain't lined up. That's weird.
You see my screen? Look.
I am looking at it. You're right. Mine did. Oh.
What is that? Hey, shut up. Fuck, if I could get 2,200, I'll have like 3K on the account. First. See, I would already got out with my old self. My old self would already got out. So now I have to break this one for continuation.
You think it will?
Yeah, I already broke that one.
Yeah, but I mean, that doesn't mean it'll break the other one though.
I mean, you never know. Fuck, how much money was that? 1,500. Damn, it's coming down low.
Yeah. I'm under now.
You lost all your money?
On the profits, yeah.
Same. Fuck. I should have took that 1,500.
Should have took the 6.
The what?
I should have took the 6.
Oh, yeah. No, that's gonna be. It's gonna have to break that.
Still not wanting to go back into that zone. So that's good. Oh, never mind, I lied.
Fuck, what did it hit? I should have took some out.
It hit a 25,681.
Yeah, it hit 1.4 for me. A 1.4 trade.
Oh, I see what you mean. Now it's back to hovering.
That was a big ass candle.
Yeah, bro, it was. It's going back up now. That was a huge candle.
If it closes on top, we might hold that as a support.
Hope so.
You see this gap right here? In this red candle?
Yeah.
I put the thing right here. If it breaks on top, that should, this right here, from here all the way here, that's a support for that. That all the buyers that are right here is gonna support that. And look, it's back on top of this. See, that's why I'm telling you, trust your trade. That's why I said let it breathe. Don't move your stop loss until you hit your target of a 2.0. Are you still on the 2.0 target?
2.0 is in.
So put
Oh, the.
put your thing on long position and place it where you're put your stop loss and move this green all the way till you see where it says 2.0. 2.0 for me is right here. You see it right here in the middle? It says 2.
That's just 2 times the stop loss, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you get your money. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. When you lose a trade and then you win a trade like this, the trade you lost, it would cover the trade you lost because you won again.
Well. I can see some problems here.
Hopefully it breaks over. Alright. I'm gonna make a video real quick. I'm gonna call you back. All right. Damn, bro, I've been in this trade for almost 2 hours. I'm going for 2K. It's been consolidating in my general area. I think I entered over here, and look, it's just been in this area. And my stop loss is 1,000. I'm going for the 2 to 1, 2 to 1 ratio or 2 to 0 ratio. So I am up, and I'm going for that 2,000. And it's just sitting around here, so let's see what happens. Damn, bro, I've been in this trade for almost 2 hours. I'm going for 2K. It's been consolidating in my general area. I think I entered over here. Damn, bro.
Yeah, what's up?
Dang, he posted what he made. He made fucking 2K.
Who?
The dude that does the Discords.
Dang, man. 2K?
No, I mean 4K, sorry.
4?
Yeah, 4,700.
Wow.
I'm thinking about me.
I'm just asking for 1,000, bro. That's all.
I'm at 1,000.
I'm at 400.
Trying to get to. Please give me some hope. We have this right here too.
Of what?
That gap. So hopefully this holds that gap. It makes a new high. Oh shit. Oh. What? How did it wick that far up? Oh hell no. It didn't even go up there. I'm watching it with my own eyes. I swear to God, it didn't go up there.
It didn't look like it, huh?
Damn, I'm at 1,500.
Come on, I just needed to hit 1,000.
You're just going for 1,000 then?
Yeah, that's the love to get up there. There we go. Come on. Come on.
If it closes above this,
Yeah.
cause look, this is it's a support. We need it to close on top.
I think it did.
No, look.
But I'll be using the same program. Why does yours look slightly different?
Cause it's just cause I'm on an Express account.
I guess.
I was I'm over here like, what the hell you talking about? Look, cause look, it's not even close. I mean, this did. That's why I said, what the fuck is this wick? This shit came out of nowhere.
See, I don't have that big of a wick either. Mine didn't go that high. minutes, so I might just take what I can get and head out. It's almost 10.
Oh, you gotta go?
Here in a few minutes, yeah.
If I was you, you see this purple? If it closed above 683, I'll put my stop, my stop at 680. If it closes above 683, put your stop at 680 before you leave.
Okay.
That guarantees you, if it still continues up, it's going to continue up, or if it comes down, it's going to just hit that stop. And as you can see, it's trying to pass this. If it passed this, this is on invalid, and that means they're going to use this to go up. You know what I mean? Because they're using this to come down now. But if it goes over, they're going to retest it, and it's going to probably push more up. See, hopefully right now... Oh, fuck. The sellers is in there, but the buyers are still in control right now, I think.
Yeah.
Because of the EMA is holding up above the VWAP and the EMA. I mean, if I could get it to you. I think if I get to 1500, I'm at 2K in the balance. No, I'm in the balance. Like right now, I'm at 1900.
Yeah.
Wait, what time did we enter this trade again?
9:17, 8:17 your time.
Up. It closed above, you see? And it just retest. I think it's trying to retest it.
So you said set the stop loss to 80?
You could kind of hold up. Let that one close. Let this one close before you go, and then see where it goes.
Well, I'll stick around a bit. I mean, if it hits, I want to be there if it's going to hit 1,000 on this, especially on this one.
I'm almost out.
I'm almost there, man. It's close.
Come on. Come on. Yo, I'm gonna get the recording. I'm gonna hang up. All right. Yo, chat. Man, we're almost there. We're at 1900. Come on, man. Man, we're almost there. I've been in this trade for a long time. It's already 9. An hour plus an hour trade. This is crazy. Oh, I'm at 2000. Come on, please hit it. Oh my god. Come on, hit it, bro. Hit it. This is my funded. Let's go. Hit that. Bro. Hit it. Come on. Let's go. Man, we're almost there. I've been in this trade for a long time. It's already 9. Come on, bro. I've been in this trade for an hour and a half. I'm almost there. It's already 9. I should be done right now. And I'm at 2K. Come on, please hit
Order
it.
filled.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, I got paid, boy. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. This is my fucking funded, boy. Let's fucking go. It's 9. Let's see how long that trade took. $2,000. 54 fucking minutes.